maida, wheat flour and rose water. 1 spoon maida is enough for nose. Add 1 spoon of rose water. Maida looks like thick, not so wet, not so dry. If you feel it's still dry, add more rose water. When turned sticky, it's ready to apply. But remember, before apply, scrub nose with salt and dry properly. Apply the flour on nose. Let it be dry for 5 minutes, not so much dry. After 5 minutes, remove it like that. You can wet it by sprinkle some water, but take one side to remove it. After removing, take steaming. Use these clips after rinse nose with warm water or wet a cotton ball on warm water and apply on nose. Now do like this for remove excess hair. Clean nose with dry cotton ball. Look at my nose, no more blackheads. It's done. Have tips. Stay beautiful, stay glamorous. Subscribe us for all new updates. Thank you and like us.